Hi guys, going to try the glider out with the camera on it. We're at a different park in Kingswood. I think it's Kingswood. Haven't tried this place before. I've rather got my eye on it to run the motorbikes round on that skate park. We'll just go over there and throw this. Yeah, this is a park I haven't been to. And this looks like it might work for the motorbikes. It's also a bit windy, so you probably can't hear me. I came down here because the dog walkers were up in the top section. Now they're coming down here. Flashing, I think that means we are filming. I've done no trimming on this. So this is straight out the box, or out the bag. Well, that's annoying. I thought we were going to be nose heavy, but we're not. Just checking me pockets, see if I've got any old washers, which I used to have. A washer. Tuck that in the front, a bit more nose weight. That's better. Really dressed for chuck glider throwing. Got my heavy jacket on. Light's still flashing, so we're still recording, I think. And I think I did mention in a little video short that I have two of these cameras, and I think this is the one that's not so good. We'll now try with the wind behind me. need to put a bungee on this. I'm going to run out of strength in my arm in a minute. I must say, this is a nice park. I've never been here before. That looks relatively smooth as well. Definitely gonna have to try the motorbike. Well, that worked. That was discus style. Oh, upside down. Discus style works quite well. Not proper discus, we're not getting miles of height, but it works. And we've explored the park and I like it, so we might be coming here again. Can we stop this filming? Single press, it stopped onto green light. Hold it in for a few seconds again. Back to filming again. Single press appears to stop it. Okay, we'll hope that that's worked. Just connect the battery and we're safe. And we added a little bit of nose weight. I've done no trimming on this, so this is straight out of the box, or out of the bag. That's annoying. I thought we were going to be nose heavy. Wind behind me. I must say, this is a nice park. I've never been here before. Works quite well. Not so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing, and somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. thanks again.